Keeping your valuables safe and secure is so simple with the Retrax IX tonneau cover. This stylish flush-mounted retractable tonneau cover looks great and is built to last. The durable aluminum slats are coated in a UV-resistant matte powder coat finish and linked by a strong elastomer hinge. This helps keep your truck bed and cargo protected and secure in the roughest and toughest of conditions. Operating the Retrax IX is simple and convenient. Simply pull the quick release handle and the cover glides easily on 4 sealed bearings to prevent binding and the need for maintenance. Retrax IX unique adjustable latch stops allow you to secure your cover in any 3 positions of your choice for the ultimate in hauling capacity and flexibility. It lets you choose how you use your truck bed and how you need to. The Retrax IX has a 2-year warranty and an amazing low price point. Installation is fairly straightforward and intuitive. The Retrax IX uses bolt-on clamps and attaches to the bed rail for a simple no-drill installation that should take around 30 minutes to install. If you're interested in purchasing the Retrax IX tonneau cover or need help with installation, check out the store locator on the screen or in the description. And don't forget to subscribe for new videos every week. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on In the Garage.